Balik mo.
Mag-ano na ito, mag-paint na dayon na. Right sa mga ay, masarap magkape kasi.
Oh, enough na. Leo.
The brown?
Don't make ano ha. Lapses.
Brown.
Take color ano?
Enough na in ano. Dipping in water. You direct it there. Don't include the leaves. What is the color of the leaves?
Green, I mean.
Stop dipping in water na. You go there na. Oh. Sige.
Green ang leaves.
Don't include the leaves.
It's wet, right?
Okay. There, oh.
That's okay to make the whole.
There one. There's also. Dip it there in the color brown. Sige, what's next?
Green.
Oh, you wash muna your brush. Wash. Clean it. And then you go to the green one. Rub more. Rub more.
Brownish ano, brown.
Sige. Don't include the fruit.
Color brown.
Because the color is...
Yellow.
Yeah. Branch ha? Branches. Ay, mabiyak. Bumanong sila.
Picture city blue pad.
Hindi lupad.
Sunod, si color sa liya. Ay, dili red sa una.
Oh, you include the fruit.
I'm sorry.
Don't include the fruit. Sige na, stop dipping in water.
Sorry, ako ang mga fruits, James.
Don't include the fruits.
Fruits, pero
Sorry, I just included fruits.
Avoid the fruits. Oh, like that. Oh. Oh. See?
How do I use?
No, 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 no. Sige na.
Okay.
Oh. Don't include the fruits because you will paint at the color yellow. Sige, dip it there in a color.
Put more water.
Okay. Avoid the fruits, Mikey.
Yeah, I'm avoiding the fruits.
Color brown. Brown. Color is
Just look at my painting.
Sige na, go.
That's to avoid the fruits.
Dip it there in the color. Enough with the water.
Unya na ni mo ni pag ano sa pag color sa.
Avoid the fruits, Mikey. No, no, enough na with the water. Sige, dip in the water.
On the wall.
Avoid the fruits. Sige.
Sige na, hay na. Brown. Brown. Sige. Sige, color it brown. Okay, branches. Color
Green.
brown.
Dip it in the color. Enough with the water, ma.
This one is color brown.
Giving.
Dip it in the color.
Branch, color brown.
In the color.
This one is
Color in
brown,
the color.
brown, and brown.
Avoid the fruits.
Wala man kay brown, unya na ka magbarong kag brown ni Hana. Una sa ang color red dili sa fruits kanang
Here, oh.
may.
How about it?
Where?
Sige, more. More. More color. Green.
Brown.
There, oh.
Brown
Green.
and brown.
Green. There. Sige more, oh. Here, oh.
Wait. I will finish this first. Okay, that's all. Next is the fruit. Ingon daw si Mama, what may gamit sa
Yellow. Wait, ano? You wash it properly. Baby, baby. Baby, big
The
excuse.
fruits, color it red. That one is red. This
Sige.
one red.
Dip in
This
yellow.
one red.
Sige more na. Dip it
First
harder.
color red.
Yellow.
Did this a little bit. No, just a little bit.
Very good. Next, brown.
Whoops, I forgot that.
And the branches color brown. This one, no, brown.
Give faster.
Kani color E.
There.
Oh, just wait. This first.
Brown. Kani brown.
Teacher, maglapas, teacher.
Sige lang. Sige lang. The next. Next
Where?
one.
Just look at it. That's so nice. Hey, Mommy, I told you. Look.
More green, oh. More green.
I told you. Look.
More green, more
Yellow
green.
and red. Or yellow and blue
Do
mix.
no mixing because that's the real color. Dip it in the green one and then you put
Red.
here.
Color red.
Here.
This one is
Then
color
it's like
red.
avoid with the fruits. Avoid the fruits.
Gamay na ang fruit. Only green na lang.
There, there, there. There, oh, there. Oh. How about here? There.
The leaves
And there
color
too.
green. The leaves. It's color
Oh, I forgot this. See?
Oh, enough na. That's it. Wow. There.
I tapped it. Hello, teacher.
No, wait muna, wait muna. It's wet.
I'm done.
The charger is not here.
I'm done.
Here, oh.
Teacher, good.
Francine. Later na, later na. Like that lang. Good job, Mikey.
You want me to see?
Wait. Wow, it's so nice.
Yeah, I want to show
Wait,
it.
no, it's wet pa.
Usa ba? Wash the brush. Okay. You wash it.
Yay!
Then,
Playtime!
Mikey, come here. Francine, come here.